Now, like I said, I'm all about saving money. So I just replaced this one halogen because first off, it was burned out. Now, secondly, here I'm in a quandary. What to do, what to do. 7.5 watts for the replacing of a 50 watt standard halogen with an LED. Okay, look at this. I've got that other one. Remember I said I only have these on maybe an hour a night or 2 hours a night? Well, I'm looking around. Here I've got another one right here going into the living room. And then above the TV, here there's a couple other ones. Here's one up here. Every night when I'm watching TV, or when I'm watching TV at least here at night, I've got this light on and I've got this light on. Here's another one. Okay, what's that? There's 3 that I know I turn on. These 2 I know I turn on. And then I don't know. Oh, okay, these are not. I thought these were halogens, but they're not. They're standard floods. See this here? I ended up putting a dimmer on this one. I'm sure I made a video of that. Just check it out on my YouTube channel. Okay, this is a standard bulb, see? And I believe these are smaller ones. And I think, I'm not quite sure, but I think those are LEDs. I think the previous owner have some LEDs, replacement bulbs in the garage, so I'm not sure. Making the assumption that they went around and they changed bulbs, but I'm not sure about that. I could take these out, take the trim out. If I can't reach the bulb, I think I could reach the bulb without taking the trim out, unscrew it and see if it's an LED or not. I could replace those. So my quandary, is do I get some more of these replacement ones, especially because they're LEDs and they're only 7.5 watts each. So I have 2 more bulbs in there, and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. I still got 4 I can replace. So see, I could get another 3-pack. They didn't have a 6-pack of these at the store. They only had them in 3-packs. If they had a 6-pack, of course the 6-pack would have been cheaper than the 3-pack. But I'm saving money because I bought a 3-pack. You can buy these one at the store, or I think they might even have a 2-pack. But look for, whenever you can, try to find stuff in bulk. I'm all about saving. You can buy a 3-pack. They'll sell you a 3-pack way cheaper than a single bulb. So I could go back to the store, buy another 3-pack, spend another 20 bucks, and use one more, and I have one extra. I think I might end up doing that, and if I do, of course, I'll make a video for you on how easy it is to take the trim out, to take the little bulb out, and to put the new bulbs in and all that kind of good stuff, okay? Because can you imagine, that's 50 watts. When I've got these on, here, let's not even count that one. There's 50 watts. There's another 50 watts, that's 100 watts. And then you got 50 and 50 that's 200 watts total when I have these lights on at night. 200 watts, that's a lot of wattage. So the meter on my electrical panel is zinging around, zing, zing, row, row, row. Not liking that, I could change them all to 7.5. Okay, look at all the money, the electricity overall. I'm gonna save money. And you know what, I thought I read somewhere, look at this. Look at this. This bulb lasts 22 years. They're approximating that 25,000. Is that right? 25,000 hours one of these LED bulbs will last. Okay? And because they're made with some special stuff in there, these bulbs don't really heat up that much up in your ceiling either. Okay? All good things should not come to an end. Go down to the store, save yourself some money, do yourself a favor, and get your LEDs and start saving big.